Hey guys, in this video I will give you a full review of the BitMart futures trading platform. How are the fees, how is the interface, and how good can you leverage trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on the platform. If you want to create an account on BitMart, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $3,000 of bonuses that you can easily pick up by following all of these different tasks. You will always get, if you're using the link from the description, the best bonus possible. To create an account, you simply have to enter your details right here and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this. The first thing I want to show you is how you can verify your account. You don't necessarily have to do that, but if you do it, you can use all of the features on the platform. To do that, you go up here and then go to verification. There you can see you have these two different levels. Level 1, you can basically do all of these things that you can see right here. You have some withdrawal limits and some leverage trading limits that you cannot use. And here you only have to upload a document, your ID or your driving license, and then you can use the platform with all of its features. All right, next I want to show you how you can deposit easily crypto. You can do that by simply going up here to your assets and then clicking on spot. And then you simply click here on deposit. Then you can choose the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit right here. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar Tether, for example. Then you can choose a network. For example, I like to use the TRC20 network on US dollar Tether. And then you get your deposit address right here. You can copy that to your clipboard and send money here from your wallet or another exchange. It only takes a few minutes and it's without any fees. So very convenient. The other method, of course, is you can deposit with fiat money. You can do that by simply going up here to buy and sell. Then you have to choose your fiat currency, for example, US dollar, euro, whichever one you want. Then you can type in the amount, for example, 500 euro in this case. You can choose what currency you want to receive, because you cannot have euro or US dollar or any other fiat currency on the platform. You have to choose a cryptocurrency that you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin. You can see these different payment providers right here listed, which payment method they offer and how much Bitcoin you would receive. Then you just have to set the check mark right here and click on buy. And then you get to this page right here. You can choose which payment method you want to use, what fees they have, can confirm. And then once you have done that, it will take a few minutes. You can see right here, maybe up to 1 or 2 hours, and then you will have the money right here on your account. You can always, of course, check if the money that you have deposited is already there by just going up to your assets, click on overview, and then you can see if the money has been credited to your account. It always should arrive on your spot account right here. I would say the deposit process is really nice. You can easily deposit cryptocurrencies and also have the option with very low fees to deposit fiat currencies. All right, so once you have the money on here, I also want to show you how you can easily transfer them between different accounts. You can just go here to your futures account, click on transfer, and then you can transfer them between these accounts. And once you have it here on your futures account, you can then leverage trade with it on the platform. You have these two different accounts, so USD futures, which I personally recommend and always would use, just deposit US dollar Tether, and then you can trade any cryptocurrency with that as collateral. Also, you can use Coin futures with Ethereum and Bitcoin to trade these two trading pairs with that, with, for example, Bitcoin deposited as collateral. I would just stick with USDT futures, and then you can just go up here to futures, click on here, and then you will get to the futures platform, which looks like this, a very simple interface. First of all, I want to show you a little bit. I want to talk a little bit about the fees. So you can see the funding fees up here, which is one very, very small fee that occurs, very comparable to other exchanges. And then, of course, you also have the order fees. So if you're opening or closing a position, as you can see for maker, it's a 0.02% fee. So if you're using a limit order, and for taker, if you're using a market order, it's a 0.06% fee. These fees are very, very low. I compared them to pretty much all other futures trading platforms, and they're absolutely comparable to all of these other trading platforms. Pretty similar fees to all of the other ones. All right, so to the layout, you can see the price chart right here in the middle from TradingView, very nice. You can see the order book right here. You can see all the trades that have happened, and down here your open positions. We will get into that in just a bit. Here on the right side, you can open your trades, choose the leverage and so on, and down here you can see your own capital. To open a position, you simply click here on open. You can choose your leverage up to 100x. And then down here, you can say a limit order or a market order. Let's go for a market order just to demonstrate it. You can choose in here the amount. For example, if you go to 100%, you're using all of your capital right here, and times 5 means a position size of $600. Of course, you could also type in an amount manually. Let's just leave it at that. You could add a take profit and stop loss right here. For example, if it goes to $31,000 and if it goes down to $29,400, you can see we are going to make $24 of profit or $9 of a loss. That's it. Click on open long and you will have the position opened immediately. What I really like is that you can also directly see, okay, I end the position right here. Here is my take profit and here is my stop loss. Down here you can see, okay, everything that you need to know. It's a Bitcoin trade, isolated long, 5x leverage, $600 position size. Here's where you enter the market. This is the current market price. Liquidation price, if you would not have a stop loss, it would go this much to this price. You would lose all of your own capital in this trade. Here you can see how much of your own capital you have in the trade. You can even add some margin to it. For example, if you add $3 more, as you can see, your liquidation price will go a little bit lower, which is really nice. You can also do that. Here you can see your profit or loss, right now 2 cents on a profit. And here you can edit your take profit and stop loss. We've already set them through this right here. For example, if we cancel them right here, you can just easily click on this little X. You can also edit them at any point or add them right here if you forgot to add them at the beginning, and say, yeah, if it goes to 31,000, for example, and if it goes down to 29,700, whatever, $3 of loss, click on confirm. And you will have them both set at any point, and you can edit them and always check what profit or loss you would make. All right, then you can just leave it open like that, see what the price does. And if you, for example, the price goes up and at any point you want to close it without waiting for one of these to be hit, you can of course just click on close right here, choose how much of the percent. Let's go for 100%, $3 of profit, click on confirm, and then you're out of the position again. In total, I would say definitely a very nice leverage trading exchange. I really like the design that you can see everything in the chart. You have everything you need. Fees are very nice as well. So overall, definitely a good crypto leverage trading exchange. Don't forget to create an account on BitMart by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign up bonus possible. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.